This web app is built using Streamlit. Streamlit's open-source app framework is the easiest way for data scientists and machine learning engineers to create beautiful, performant apps in only a few hours. This use case demonstrates the power of the Elmo model. Elmo is a novel way to represent words in vectors or embeddings. These word embeddings are helpful in achieving state-of-the-art results in several NLP tasks. Elmo word vectors are computed on top of a two-layer bidirectional language model, BiLM. This BiLM model has two layers stacked together. Each layer has two passes: forward pass and backward pass. Here we are searching for some data related to certain queries and testing whether the model can understand the context and pulling the appropriate results. We will first load the data. This is a very small corpus which contains details about Thor and his surrounding stories from Marvel Cinematic Universe. For better results, please load the model with good amount of data so that the results will be clustered properly under different heads. Let's search for Thunder God, and ideally it should map to Thor as he is the god of thunder. Indeed. He is the powerful Avenger. Let's search for Thor's brother. Yes, it's our god of mischief, Loki. Let's search about Thor and Jane Foster. Yes. It's extracting some details about them. Elmo is far more powerful and you have seen only a glimpse of it. There are some fantastic use cases built using this embedding. Thank you for watching this demo. Bye.